Thank you to my channel members.
Dancing drums explosion. Let's hope we can get a bonus and an explosion. We'll do 588, so we are eligible for that upgrade feature. So we have a shot at the 3+ million. I have been trying this game in Atlantis lately, and it will not give me a bonus. So hopefully, you know, it's like 6 a.m. here. Hoping for a bit of luck. Hoping it will redeem itself. Well, we got the pod and an upgrade. Maybe it'll just give me the 3.5 million instead, right? Wouldn't that be fun? Oops, sorry. Here we go. I have gloves on, so it's a little bit dicey here. Yeah, see? Give me that guy. I want a third one of him, please. Don't give me the mini. Oh, we got the minor. That's nice for a change. Okay. Anything better than the mini is always good. Now, can we get those drums to dance? Or a full screen of something? I think I put 200 in. Unfortunately, I hear music in the background that's probably a match on YouTube. That's one problem with early mornings, is that the sound system, you can hear it great. And of course, I don't want to hear it great. I don't want it in my videos. Come on, drums. Oh, well, we got the pot again with a jackpot upgrade. See, it really wants to give me that 3.5 million. Hello, 3.5 million. I mean, the first pick was the grand. Come on. I'll take the gold major as a consolation prize. Yeah, look at the thrill it's giving me with the grand there. Hey, the minor again. Nice surprise. I have had the major, both the regular and the upgraded one on this game. Last year, or maybe it was early this year. Who can remember? I need my drums though. Oh, my food dogs. Oh, we could have had one more food dog there on the fourth reel. Darn.
Let's jump ahead to our bonus.
Oh, I got it. Guys, I got a 4-drum gold drum bonus. I am excited. If I sound less than excited, it's my mask. I'll blame it all on the mask from now on. Oh my gosh. You know, I have been picking 3 free games and it's been burning me. I don't think I want to do that. I normally always pick the 3 because of the upgrade there. You know, it's been a long time since I picked mystery. I'll probably regret this, but let's go with it. Don't burn me, don't burn me. More than 5, more than 5. Well, it didn't burn me. At least it didn't burn me. Now let's get something fabulous. Let's get a retrigger. Okay, 3 more spins. Retrigger me. Oh, look at that. If it only had one over there. Oh, we got the pot. It's not an upgraded pot, but it could still give us something great. How about giving me the grand without the 3.5 million? I'm not greedy. I'll take the grand without the 3.5. Oh, I got the mini. Okay. I guess I was due for the mini. I would love a retrigger, but we have 2 spins left. Okay, last spin. All right, 184.88. I gotta admit, not the bonus of my dreams, but I finally got one. So that was great. So thank you for the bonus. All right, let's give it a couple more spins just in case. Oh, see, it could have bonused again, right? Don't be a tease. Give me something really fabulous.
It didn't bonus again, so let's see where I cash out and then go on to our next session of Dancing Drums Explosion.
No? Well, I could continue to play, or I could cash out 100 ahead. You know, I'm going to cash out 100 ahead and try this next visit. So cheers and good luck, everybody. Here we go. Yay! Drums explosion, because I can't resist it. Look at that 3.5 million up there. This is Atlantis. We're going to do the 588 bet to be eligible for that. Oh, I wish the sound was up higher. I've got it up as high as it'll go, but it's very faint. I can't stay away from Dancing Drums Explosion Atlantis because I've hit the major here twice. Once when it was upgraded, and once when it wasn't. Always hoping to get lucky. I also noticed when I sat down, they've got billions. And you know I've been lucky at that at Cosmo. Maybe I can be lucky on it here at Atlantis. We'll find out after I play Dancing Drums. I think we started with what, 351? I got lucky on another game and too lazy to cash out that ticket. Plus for this game, you almost need to put that much in to start out with. Close the pot. Give me a chance at the 3.5 million. But if I can't have 3.5 million, let's get a big win bonus here. Come on. Oh, shoot. Really? Let's not be teasing with those drums. Come on. My drums need to dance. It's time for an early morning dance. I'm in this section of Atlantis that's like, well, a greenhouse, sort of. It's upstairs. Come on, Dancing Drums. Make wearing this mask worth it. Make the facial marks I'm gonna get when I take this mask off when I get home worth it. Wish we had a full screen of those ships there. That would have been nice. Oh, more of those. Wouldn't it be fun to have a 5-drum bonus? Well, we had a 3-drum bonus. Yes, thank you. So I'm wondering what I shall pick. You know what? I'm feeling like 10 free games. Let's see what we can do on 10. Nice first spin. I like that. Keep those wins up. Maybe a retrigger. The pot lid closed. It's not upgraded. I don't get a chance at the 3.5 million, but I'd still like the grand or the major. Grand me. Don't mini me. No minis. Major would be good. Let's get the major. Okay. We got the minor. Hey, anything better than the mini is good with me. Okay, we got some spins left here. 4 more spins. Maybe we'll re-trigger too. Last spin unless we re-trigger. Come on, drums. Aw, dead spin. Well, we got a bonus. You know, sometimes there's 2 bonuses. I'll push my luck a little bit. Okay, we're gonna push my luck.
Pushing my luck didn't work out. Let's see where I cash out.
Come on, drums. I'm gonna cash out, guys. Let's cash out a little bit of a winner. And we'll be back because I love Dancing Drums Explosion. Cheers, good luck.